غفار يا الله يا قهار يا الله.
Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Should I not tell you the virtue of Sayyidul Astaghfar?" Then he said, "Whoever will recite this in the evening, the paradise will be obligatory for him." Al-Silsilatu Sahiha, Sayyidul Astaghfar. Allahumma anta rabbi, la ilaha illa ant. خلقتني وأنا عبدك وأنا على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعت أعوذ بك من شر ما صنعت أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء لك بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. O Allah, you are my Lord. None has the right to be worshipped except you. You created me, and I am your servant, and I obey to your covenant and promise as best as I can. I take refuge in you from the evil of which I committed. I acknowledge your favor upon me, and I acknowledge my sin. So forgive me. Indeed, none can forgive sins except you.